So sir, how's the Josh?
उमंग बहुत अच्छी है.
So honestly, जिद की जीत, मुझे पता आप बहुत जिद्दी हो और जीतने के लिए भी बहुत जिद्दी हो, मगर वैसे बताओ कितने जिद्दी हो?
कुछ हद से ज्यादा. बट आज जहाँ तक पहुंचे हैं और अगर जिंदा हैं और ग्रो कर रहे हैं, वो जिद की वजह से ही कर रहे हैं. बट जिद जो है उसकी परिभाषा क्या है वो बनानी पड़ेगी. तो एक जिद है जीने, एक जिद है, एक विल है जीने की, एक उमंग है अपने आप को सुधारने की, बेहतर काम करने की, जज्बे के साथ जीने की. तो बहुत ढेर सारी जिद है.
And as I said last year, we've been meeting often and it's really wonderful. So you have proved कि कितने जिद्दी हो आप जीतने के लिए. Your career has been testimony. The kind of work you have given us during this lockdown, it's just been amazing. If somebody had told your younger self कि यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए इतने, वो कहते हैं ना, जब तो जहद करनी पड़ेगी.
पूजा के साथ 3 इंटरव्यू 10 दिन में.
No, but it's amazing. What would you have told your younger self, actually? Now, when you look back in retrospect.
मैं अपने young self को तो अब कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. It's too late. But जो मेरे पीछे जो इतने young girls and boys हैं, मैं उनको बोल सकता हूँ कि nobody knows a jack shit of what you're going through. They don't know a jack shit what you can be. So keep focusing on yourself. You are amazing. Even if you are failing, just जो अंदर जो light है, वो जो heart है, उसको संभाल के रखो. बढ़ते जाओ. आपका रास्ता आपको मिलेगा, मेरी गारंटी है.
Absolutely. I agree with you. And you're playing a similar character, a real life character, Dipendra Singh Sengar. एक बात बताओ, आपको कभी ऐसा मन किया मैं इनसे मिलूं, या or was it just like I'd rather not meet him but just play how I have interpreted him?
Pooja, when you were
I know. Yeah.
Thing, I had a chat about this. So I had the opportunity to chat with Major Deep Singh Sengar, with Deep Sir and Jaya ma'am. But at that, when we went into filming, I wanted to avoid because of my process. Because a lot of research had been done with them and about other aspects that were required by my writers, and Akash Joy, who are the story writers, and Siddharth Mishra. These people have done a great job with kind of keeping things almost brewed and ready. So I just wanted to come and take that and chew on that and build on that. But I was with Major Deep Singh Sengar that day. And we also did one live session with him, a couple of live sessions, and I had a private Zoom. I've had an audience with him on like this. And I'm just waiting now. He's going to watch the series, and I'm just very excited how Deep Sir and Jaya ma'am react to it. I'm also excited how people will react to it. I'm also excited to see how the armed forces people and their families react and see.
Yeah. And also talking about the armed forces, you and me have a special affinity for the Indian Defense Force. और आपको भी पता और मुझे भी पता है, आर्मी डे, नेवी डे एक हैशटैग बनता है और सब बड़े प्राउडली ट्वीट्स करते हैं. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू जॉइन द सर्विसेज, जो पहले प्राइड होती थी वो अब नहीं है. दे रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम इट बिकॉज सोल्जर की जिंदगी तो वो कहते हैं ना, सर्विस बिफोर सेल्फ इज द मोटो ऑफ एवरी सोल्जर. सो व्हाट डू यू फील विद दिस शो?
Welfare of my country comes first and always first, and then my men and then me. The IMA motto. I'm not going to kind of go into that, but hence I'm going to make movies and stories like Evrod. Hence I will make stories like Jeet Ki Zid. Very grateful to Major Deep Singh Sengar and Jaya ma'am for allowing us to tell this story. And I'm a huge fan, Pooja. We've had this chat of the great Indian Army. And I think our great army, our armed forces has so many great stories that, we can learn so much. We can imbibe so much, not only just as a country, as a nation, but I'm just saying even globally, So I feel privileged. I feel proud. I feel that that I'm just privileged that I get to wear the uniform. I get to learn so much. And somewhere I've had this satisfaction that, as an actor, as an artist, or, I'm doing my bit in kind of taking these stories in an authentic, real manner to the audiences. And a big intention for me with these stories is that, it hits the right place, and the awareness, the education, and the true, valor of these great people should be showcased, and especially with the youth, they will actually see, because there's so much disappointment in the country. Everybody's
Yeah,
talking
Ji.
about negativity, everybody's talking everything is going south, but that's not true. There's a lot good happening in this country, and for
True.
now I would just say stop everything and watch it and watch the story. Don't
I
watch me, but watch the story of this great man and this great woman.
No, I totally agree with you, because this is what I wanted to say, because there are actors like you who are playing these characters. वो uniform पहन के वो जो आता है ना जोश, and we're seeing a whole lot of these stories. I just wish it would encourage the youth, because
It will.
for the services also. Yeah,
It
this is
will.
what I
It
meant.
will. It will, Pooja. I have immense faith in the Indian youth. I have an amazing connect with them. I chat with them on more on Instagram, a little bit of Twitter. They are they are at a very impressionable kind of molding right now. So
Yeah,
with good encouragement, good stories, love, affection, guidance, they will go, and with being good examples, they will go
yeah.
definitely north. They will go in the right direction. I have full hope, and if I can be a catalyst through my work, through my behavior, through my words, I think then my whole existence, my being has some relevance and some importance.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली बस सबसे चैलेंजिंग क्या था, हमने ये बात की है, मगर अब जिन्होंने हमारी वो बात नहीं सुनी उनको बता सबसे चैलेंजिंग क्या था, बिकॉज इसमें यू आर शोइंग द प्रोफेशनल एंड द पर्सनल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ एन आर्मी ऑफिसर, कारगिल में लड़े, गोस थ्रू हिज ओन स्ट्रगल्स, बट सबसे चैलेंजिंग फॉर अमित द एक्टर क्या था? बिकॉज
चैलेंजिंग
फिजिकल
से
ट्रेनिंग मुझे पता है आप बहुत करते हो, तो वो तो
चैलेंजिंग से ज्यादा आई थिंक मेरा विल था कि हम सब का, एक्चुअली सिर्फ मेरा नहीं, because we've shown special forces training like never ever before by anybody.
जी जी
We wanted to show real SF training, not glamorized or dramatized things for effect. We wanted it to be real, because just the real stuff is so impactful and so powerful. You don't need to
ट्रू
kind of up it. But again, great guidance. We had consultants in Colonel Galat, Colonel Ashok Galat, who's an ex-SF, very decorated officer. His son Arjun, they were there throughout, helping, guiding. Um, so for me, that was the thing. The challenging part was to be able to kind of pull those things off, and also test my limits and my mental strength and my physicality. Uh, uh, have I done enough is the thought that I live with these days, because I'm a very conflicted human being, but in a very positive way. So I keep thinking now, is it enough? Was it enough? And then of course the wheelchair aspect. And again, the credit goes to my team, Akash and Joy, for doing so much research on that aspect as well. The mental state, and just kind of so this is beyond me, Pooja. Like generally, when I do movies, there's so much of method and stuff. It goes, but in
या
this, I don't want to kind of take the conversation, or because the allocated time I have with people, with you and your viewers. So I want to use that time actually in uh, because the story is bigger than me. This man is bigger than me. It's bigger than my
या
craft or my acting or whatever I can do. So I am conflicted if I have done enough. um, but the intention behind this, which I want to emphasize, is these aspects. I want a dialogue to come over on while watching this. Of course, that will happen if people like it. So that's one primary kind of thing that we all are awaiting to see the reaction. And then if a dialogue, or if a conversation starts about things like we were talking the other day, being differently able or being disabled, just the conversation, just the terminologies, they're not, they are differently abled. They are not disabled.
एब्सोल्युटली
The awareness in India, like between Juhu and Bandra, the richest people in the country live, but there's not even one ramp. In a country where we buy so many Rolls Royce and Ferraris and the best cars, we can't build one ramp. And so all these things, I'll be very honest, I'm just like not a convert all of a sudden, but my awareness has grown in the last a few months, uh, and because of um, you know because of also in the process of telling the story and knowing more. So I'm more focused on that, about the mental health issue, about the zid, about never giving up attitude,
जी
about these two characters, Jaya and
जी
about their conflict, about their attitude of never giving up. on themselves, for each other. So that's where my attention is. That's where I want to draw your attention.
Absolutely.
This time for this series, you can skip my method and my preparation. It's
Absolutely, we'll do that. But मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, आप एक्टर हैं, आप एक क्रिएटर हैं, अपना क्राफ्ट करते हैं, but on that hand लोग ऑफेंड भी हो जाते हैं कि ये मत दिखाओ, ऐसे मत दिखाओ, ऐसे मत करो. As a creative person, what would you want to say? Or also, do you feel there should be censorship? होनी चाहिए.
मैं सब बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए. दूसरा, हमें थोड़ा कंपैशन और समझ सहज रखनी पड़ेगी. इंडिया इस समय, I think India is bruised right now.
Yeah.
So are we going to kind of add more salt to that bruise, or are we going to wait, hold back? So there are 10 million stories. डॉक्टर ने तो नहीं कहा कि वही कहानी बताओ या वही चीज दिखाओ, वही चीज दर्शाओ जिससे लोगों को कष्ट पहुंचे. हम एक इवॉल्विंग कंट्री हैं, हम एक डेवलपिंग कंट्री हैं. हमें थोड़ा, हम लोग एक प्रोसेस से जा रहे हैं. वहां अपने आप को ठीक कर रहे हैं, कहीं मरम्मत कर रहे हैं, कहीं सुधार रहे हैं, कहीं नया शुरुआत कर रहे हैं. ये वक्त नहीं है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट करने का. और आर्ट के नाम पे आप कुछ भी दिखा दो वो भी ठीक नहीं है. ये मेरे ख्यालात हैं.
No, I agree with you.
You know, I think there's no need to show stories right now where, you know, women are being, you know, abused, और जरूरत नहीं है. आप कह लो यार ये तो सिनेमा है, ऐसा, ये तो सच्चाई है, बट इतनी सच्चाई तो नहीं है यार. अच्छे लोग भी हैं. We are worshipping women also, so why can't we show a film that is worshipping women? And I think in this day and age, we need to show the good so that the society and the country also sees that there is good. And when and I have this philosophy, and I've been thinking about this. I'm writing something on, like, just my own thoughts, that the good has become very quiet and lazy. I think in India, the good needs to get up and start talking so that it becomes cool. People realize, yes, there is good. The bad is only 3% or 7%, but the bad is making so much noise.
Gets magnified because bad news always makes more noise.
Yeah, so these are my views, Pooja.
I agree with you. मेरे को कभी-कभी लगता है आप लाइफस्टाइल कोच बन सकते हो. कभी सोचा है वैसे? It's very inspiring to listen to you.
नहीं यार, thank you यार पूजा. But I just feel that हम सबको एक कोच बनना पड़ेगा अपने आप को सही करने के लिए. अपने आप को, you know, we have to all, हम लोग पूरी दुनिया को पे उंगली उठाते हैं, हम लोग देश के लिए उंगली उठाते हैं, मतलब हम अपने आप पे कभी नहीं उंगली उठाते कि हमारे एक्शंस क्या हैं. और so I just feel we need a lot of kind of introspection in this time. And I will not comment on anyone. I speak from my experience.
No,
मुझे कई बार stories आती भी हैं. There was a story that I got where this character, the male character, was doing some actions to women which I don't agree with. So the people were very upset with me. They said, तुम तो एक्टर हो, तुम्हें सब कुछ करना चाहिए. मैंने कहा 200 साल बाद करूंगा. इंडिया की जो डेमोग्राफिक्स है उसको पूरा हील होने दो, फिर मैं 200 साल के बाद ये रोल करूंगा. ठीक है? अच्छा, अभी इंडिया में जरूरत नहीं है इस तरह की कहानी बताना. और क्या होगा, साल में 2 फिल्म कम कर लूंगा, कोई बात नहीं.
That's amazing.
You know, so I just feel that we need to kind of see, it's just not acting and art. मतलब उसके चक्कर में कुछ भी दे दो. हमें समझना पड़ेगा कि इंडिया में 1.5 बिलियन लोग हैं. हमें समझना पड़ेगा इतने मजहब हैं, इतने लोग हैं, इतना, you know, तो क्यों किसी को ठेस पहुंचाए. तो आपको लगता है यार ये कहानी से या अच्छा लोग पागल तो नहीं है, नहीं तो फिर हर पिक्चर में लोग कॉन्फ्लिक्ट कर रहे होते. बट इसमें कुछ लोग भी हैं जो अपना स्वार्थ ढूंढते. सो इट्स वेरी कॉन्फ्लिक्टेड. इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट टू टॉक अबाउट, you know.
True.
I'm trying to say that it's very difficult to talk about this because there are also people who take advantage of it.
I agree with you. Headline बन जाती है.
नहीं, also स्वार्थ के भी जी रहे हैं. फिर कौन किसका क्या पक्ष है, तो बहुत, मैं तो सबको ये बोलूंगा कि थोड़ा take 2 steps back and see what is good for the society and for our country. And if you still feel this is good for the society and the country, do whatever you're doing.
ठीक. अभी 3 सवाल आप जाते जाते आपके फैन से आए हैं. एक पहला सवाल है कि what's your take on the industry coming back to work amidst COVID, and if you were given an option, would you prefer an offline release or an online digital one?
I will prefer a release. I will prefer people working. I will prefer that the process of making films and movies continue wherever they release. I'm happy with what is happening, but I'll be happier if even cinema halls start, because cinema halls all over the world create so many jobs also. And till the time they're not opening, let's find those people, ushers, popcorn walas, canteen people, वो उनकी parking के उन लोगों को तो पहले हम उनको ढूंढें और उनको job दें. जब तक ये सिनेमा नहीं खुलते, मुझे लगता है पूरी दुनिया तब खुश होगी जब सब कुछ फ्लरिश करेगा।
किसी ने ये पूछा है कौन सा एक एक्टर है जिसके क्राफ्ट को आप बहुत एडमायर करते हो, सिट बैक करके देखते हो लाइक एक्टर हो तो ऐसा कोई है जो आपको इंस्पायर करता है?
आई थिंक इंडिया में मुझे रणवीर सिंह की एक्टिंग बहुत खतरनाक लगती है। आई थिंक वो जो भी करते हैं एकदम घुस जाते हैं, you know, and that is something commendable. I think I'm a huge fan of Amir sir. Amir Khan, you know, Daniel Day-Lewis, Christian Bale. Christian Bale.
I like your choice. So किसी ने ये भी आपसे पूछा है कि with OTT being the medium and several projects being streamed online, do you think it will fill the gaps, offering more opportunities to actors who earlier felt a little left out?
मतलब, sorry, come again, please. Pardon me.
Like, do you think OTT से लोगों को जो actors felt that they were being left out, और opportunities मिलेंगी with new content coming up? Do you feel this medium has helped vis-a-vis films because आप bracket हो जाते हैं?
Definitely. All people who didn't have godfathers have OTT father now.
Totally agree. और जाते जाते हमें तो एक बात बताओ, what's your non-resolution for 2021?
It's all bullshit. Be a good human being.
Absolutely.
You know, and be nice to people. If you're nice to people, you can expect good things and them to be nice to you. Simple.
Anyways, all the very best and keep being ziddi. जीत तो रहे हो. Looking forward to another Amit Sadia. वैसे सबसे favorite character कौन रहा है आप out of all that you've played? आप ये मत बोलना ये मेरे बच्चों की तरह है, 5 उंगलियों में से I can't decide. एक character
बच्चे तो नहीं है, ये बच्चे तो बहुत शैतान बच्चे मेरे character. I think Kabir Sawant.
All right. So salute, sir. All the very best.
Salute, ma'am. Salute to you too.
Bye.
Bye. Lots of love.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Lots of love. Bye.